Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, splash guards, front wheel independent suspension, low tire pressure warning, power windows. Your new ride is just a phone call away.